NPR. We're the Sons of Our Fathers, and we're going to play a tune for you that I wrote. I wrote it after I had heard about a sexual assault case where the defendant had claimed that due to the clothes the victim was wearing, she deserved or had intended to have the crime put against her. So I put this tune together because I thought that was a really messed up situation, and it's called Relax. I hope you enjoy. She says, come on in, you know, comfort's a sin before the nights of light dim low. Relax, leave it here, your coat's not comfort gear, the most that matters here, your patriarchal right. Gulp and grin, she thinks he's getting in. Too late, she sees his fate, she's lost again. She says, come on in, you know comfort's a sin before the nights of light dim low. Relax, leave it here, your coat's not comfort gear, the most that matters here is your patriarchal right. Cup and grand, she thinks he's getting in too late. She sees the red and blue lights, but she said the clothes all dressed in red, you know. That's what I saw on that night, and if it's all so evil, and if it's all so goddamn lethal, why does it seem to be so lethal? I think we're better off to stay and sleep with one eye open. Stay and sleep with one eye open. And we're better off to fight if no You know that comfort's a sin. Relax, leave it here. Your coat's not comfort gear. The most that matters here, your patriarchal right. Come on in, you know comfort's a sin. For the night, dim low. Relax, leave it here. Your coat's not comfort gear. The most that matters here is your patriarchal right. Up and crash, dance, he's getting in too late. She sees the red and blue lights, but she said with clothes all dressed